Jai Hind, everyone. It is always a pleasure to interact with all of you. But today I come with a special request. You see, the last episode that I did with children was an eye opener of sorts for me. Not only from the point of view of, wow, kids these days, they are doing so well for themselves and seems like way ahead of our times. Yeah, that was there. But then, besides that, I have been on a thinking mode since then. More so, I'm overwhelmed. And in fact, I have been overwhelmed ever since I heard Divyam say that AI is the future and that you have to know it to live and survive.
Will the future be only about artificial intelligence? I believe yes, the future is going to be about artificial intelligence because yes, artificial intelligence is basically a machine basically which will be able to possess human traits and make predictions. So that's why we can employ it in various fields such as in weather reports. We can even the CEO of Nvidia said that in the coming years, English will be the new coding language. And yes, we can see artificial intelligence that has been embedded already in call centers. And yes, we artificial intelligence has a lot more potential than we think because it has the ability to train itself with time. So yes, artificial intelligence is something uh, which should be familiar to everyone this in this era. Artificial intelligence that is related to the question that you put up, that artificial intelligence would create unemployment. But I believe that it won't, because people who are skillful will flourish and the people who are not will perish.
I mean, I'm left with a lot of questions and doubts in my mind. So I thought, let me share all of them with you all. As I feel, you, my listeners, you are my friends and would acknowledge what I feel. So you will understand my apprehensions and doubts better. I have a lot of queries, and that's why I decided to do an episode on the same. And that will be uploaded next Thursday, wherein we discuss it all. We are filling forms everywhere, giving some amount of details about ourselves. How safe are we? Our contact numbers are like an open source of information for all. How safe are we? These days, there are so many apps that we are using and that say to install Face ID. And we also feel like, yeah, why not? How safe are we? There is so much of transaction happening online. How safe are we? I've seen people have started having their avatars on different social media platforms. And recently, I saw people using AI to create their caricatures. How safe are we? Uh, we generally enjoy giving voice recorded messages, and while driving, we use text on voice. How safe are we? Also, the calls that we receive, wherein it says your phone is hacked, or you are informed by one of your friends that somebody by our profile is seeking favors. At times, they talk about digital arrest. How safe are we? Also, when you are told you cannot make any calls as phone doesn't have balance. How safe are we? At times, there is a call that comes which says that by chance money has been transferred in your account and that you need to return the amount to the same number. How safe is that? AI means artificial intelligence. And that means we have given machine the ability to learn on its own. And latest development I've seen is it filling out forms on our behalf. How safe are we? Actually, recently I happened to have watched the movie CTRL. Now, am I being overly cautious? Or is that how our future is going to be? So, if you feel the way I am feeling with my apprehensions, join me and share your views through comments so that if need be, I do 2 episodes of podcast based on the same. I mean, one on the same questions and my apprehensions. I'll be uploading it next Thursday. But if you also have any doubts, apprehensions, or you want me to know and work more on it through your comments, please let me know. We will do one more episode then, which will be based on the social media safety, AI future, and cybercrimes and security. So please connect, DM to have an episode dedicated for the same. I wish that we all are safe and secure in this new world of ours. And may we all be together in this happy, satisfied, and secure and safe. Jai Hind.